Here's how you can get like this cool animated wallpapers, completely for free. Let's go. You will find the link in description. Just download and install. It's all clear in the setup. It's totally free. I have it all ready. This is how the program looks like. Click Choose Display to choose the display you want to use. I will remove my wallpaper here. You will find some cool wallpapers. Here are some settings you can change. There is a shortcut you will use. Link in description. There is a lot of wallpapers in this website. Open the application. Open wallpaper. This is the result. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing to support our content.